Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that's a lifesaver for anyone using SharePoint in 2025. How to recover those accidentally deleted files. Whether it's a crucial document or a shared folder, losing data can be stressful, but don't worry. SharePoint has built-in tools that make recovery straightforward and efficient. By the end of this video, you'll be able to get your files back in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you're logged into your SharePoint site. In 2025, Microsoft has enhanced the interface for even smoother navigation, so head over to the specific site or library where the file was deleted. Look for the Recycle bin. It's usually in the left-hand menu or at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a list of recently deleted items. Once you're in the Recycle bin, browse through the files to find what you need. SharePoint now allows you to filter by date or type, which is a huge upgrade from previous versions. Select the file you want to recover and hit the Restore button. It's that simple. The file should reappear in its original location almost instantly. But what if the file isn't there? Well, items in the Recycle bin are typically held for 93 days, but if it's been longer, it might have been permanently deleted. In that case, check the Site Recycle bin or Second Stage Recycle bin for site-level deletions. If you're an admin, you can access advanced recovery options through the SharePoint Admin Center. Just go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Portal, navigate to SharePoint, and look under Deleted Sites or Files. From there, you might need to use the Files Recovery feature, which uses AI-powered search in 2025 to help locate and restore items. A quick tip. To avoid this hassle in the future, always enable versioning on your libraries so you can revert to previous versions. Also, set up regular backups using tools like OneDrive Sync or third-party services. Remember, prevention is better than cure. There you have it. Recovering deleted files from SharePoint in 2025 is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.